In today's video, I'm going to teach you Obsidian versus Logseq, how to choose the right knowledge app. Let's start with pricing and access. Obsidian's core app is free, and you can expand it with optional paid services like sync and publish if you need them. Logseq is free and open source, with desktop and browser versions available. In practice, both let you start at no cost, and you only pay for extras if your workflow demands it. Next, storage and file ownership. Obsidian saves your notes as local markdown files, which means you fully own your content and can back it up or move it easily. Logseq also supports local storage, but it can live in the cloud too, often through Git or a cloud sync solution. If long-term ownership and simple backups matter most, Obsidian's local-first approach is appealing. If you prefer flexibility with version control or cloud setups, Logseq offers that path. On offline versus online use, Obsidian works entirely offline. Your notes and plugins function without an internet connection. Logseq works offline locally as well, but if you rely on cloud or Git sync, you'll need internet for those features. If you travel or work with a limited connectivity, that difference can be significant. For note structure and linking, Obsidian is page-based and uses familiar double bracket links to connect ideas. Logseq is block-focused, emphasizing nested bullet points and block references alongside links. If you think in documents and essays, pages may feel natural. If you think in outlines and granular ideas, blocks can be powerful. Daily notes and journaling are built into Logseq and sit at the heart of its workflow, making it easy to capture thoughts each day. Obsidian supports daily notes too, but you'll set them up manually or with a plugin. Either way, a consistent daily entry can become the backbone of your system. When it comes to extensibility, Obsidian has a huge plugin ecosystem covering calendars, Kanban boards, AI tools, and more. Logseq has a smaller set of mostly community plugins. If you love customizing every detail, Obsidian offers more options. If you prefer a simpler, open-source setup, Logseq may fit better. For visualization, Obsidian includes a built-in graph view that shows your network of notes. Logseq offers a graph as well, though it's less detailed and leans toward hierarchical blocks. Choose the visual that helps you see connections clearly. Collaboration and sharing differ slightly. Obsidian is local first, so real-time collaboration usually requires a sync service or Git. Logseq can share via Git or cloud and can be friendlier for collaborative workflows. To wrap up, Obsidian excels at privacy, long-term personal knowledge management, writing, and highly customizable workflows. Logseq shines with structured notes, daily journaling, tasks, hierarchical outlines, and open-source practices. Try both with a small project and notice which model matches how you think.